Welcome to
Henry's Crafts and Arcade.
We are going to do
A game wreath. Okay, so today we're making a game wreath. So we're going to start with the ribbon. All right. Now I'm going to move this over for a minute. Now, I'm going to use some pins to hold the ribbon down. Stick pin. Just gonna stick it in like that. I'm going to do.
So, what are you specifically? Why are you doing what you're doing?
Okay, so I'm doing what I'm doing to put the hold down the ribbon because I need to spin the ribbon around the wreath. So then we're gonna take the wreath. Well, I want that to be a little tighter.
Yeah, see, she made a mistake there.
No, I didn't.
She made a mistake that she did tighten her stuff up.
I did too.
Why use a bar?
Because a bar wouldn't keep it tight on the wreath. It's got to be tight.
So you're using your fingers instead?
Fingers instead, I guess.
So you can do this and with scissors and cut it to the length you want it.
Are you telling them or asking me?
No, I'm telling the audience. You can do this like you can actually do this. You can cut out the length as much as you want. Scissors doing it the way we are going to do it to show you.
And the other thing is, you know, you could use a different kind of ribbon. We're doing a game wreath, and the team, we're just kind of making a red, white, and blue because, you know, it's kind of whatever is. And again, as we do with all of our videos and all of our stuff, it's all just to give you ideas of something you can do.
YouTube.
So, what?
YouTube can, if you two can do it. You can do it together. You can do it like with friends, with family members, with your family. You can do it with other people, with strangers coming to your house.
I'm just thinking about, you know, what I'm talking about is, you know, particular teams. Like, if they have a particular ribbon that is, like, it has the team logo on it or something, they can use that. We can't do that on this video because we don't want to put any kind of specific names on anything, just because we just want to make sure that everybody knows this is just an idea. So, anyway, so we don't feel that that's a good thing to do at this time. But anyway, it is just, this, of course, as I said, is just to give you ideas of something you can do for your door, for the summer. Right.
In high school games or any games, college games, it doesn't matter what game. It's just as long as you have a game. If it's football, basketball, hockey, it's a whole 9 yards, whole sports, all sports. Whatever you like, you can do it this way. It's awesome. It's real simple, real easy. You just gotta buy stuff at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, if they...
Or whatever craft store you have in town.
Yeah, whatever craft store you all have in town. And we will come back to y'all as soon as possible. We are back.
All right, so I got the ribbon on. Glitter everywhere, but that's okay.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, now I'm going to get our little items here. And I have, looks like the hot glue is good. And then we're just basically going to, and of course we have a flag. It's the red, white, and blue team. So, and we're going to put that somewhere on here. Maybe in here, I don't know, somewhere. And like you could have your team's flag and, you know, put it on there. So we just, like I said, we're just giving you ideas. So we have a couple of different things here. We have stickers, which I'm going to make sure they stay with the hot glue. So this is not a kid project. And then we have what would be buttons that we're going to attach with the wire.
Definitely not kids project. Because we have scissor, hot glue, and pliers with the.
Yep,
so this is not kids project.
Let's see, that's the end.
Because the wire is actually metal. Metal can kill.
No, it can't. Can't kill. It's just wow. That unraveled all on its own. That's weird. So whenever you use wire, try to keep it from unraveling. That's very strange. I was not expecting it to zip out or ravel like that. That was.
That's just weird.
It was weird.
I never knew that was gonna happen.
No. That's strange. Okay. All right. Well, the first thing I want to do. Oh, I guess that's why they had that on there, to tape it. First thing I want to do is go ahead and do these here in different places, and then that way I can fill it in with whatever's gaps are left with these baseballs. So, first thing I'm going to do is this big one, because he's going to go at the top. I don't know, that's pretty sticky. I might be able to just use this.
We can probably just put hot glue on it anyway.
Yeah, I might do that. Because, you know, we got, oh, thank you, yes. We have, so I'll do it like that. And then I'm going to put this one at the top, like that. There we go. And that should ensure that it will stay there. It's not going to go anywhere.
Okay.
I think I'll put the. Oh, look at there! It's just got a little bitty double off there. I'm not gonna.
Just cover it all up.
Alright, I'm gonna put him on the side.
This is a 13. Oh, hey.
What?
That's double stick.
Oh, look at that! They got two of them in the one spot. Oh, that's cool.
I saw that earlier.
Yay! I didn't notice that. Is there not another? There's not another one. Okay. Just wanted to make sure. That's cool. All right. Well, that gives me a little bit more there. That's awesome. Okay, we'll put him down here.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like
Since
that. That's really cool.
Yeah. All right, now we got.
Great.
Yeah, we got a couple of. Yeah, no, we just have two.
No,
Have two.
Not those. These.
Oh. Yeah, because they're trying to make it like a 3D, but that's okay because that just gives us a few more stickers. There we go. So we're gonna put cleats.
I know.
Alright. You want to go ahead and pause it? Okay, so we have all of that on, and now we're going to work on the baseballs that have the little, I don't know what you call it, the little button thing in the back. And so we're gonna, I gotta figure out what the middle is.
This is wire, by the way, like we said.
And you have to cut it. Okay. You want to
This
find...
is wire.
Okay. You want to find the center. Okay. So you kind of put the wire down like this because you want to be able to stop it from wiggling around and moving too much. Alright. So I'm going to let that kind of dry a little bit just so it'll stay in the center. And then it gets on my fingers. Ow. That hurts. And that's why it's not for kids.
Yeah.
Burn you. Okay. Okay, good. Now it'll stay in the center and then I won't have to be messing around trying to... Okay. Just twist it.
You can do this for your family, your friends, anybody who plays any sports.
Okay, now we're going to put a little bit more glue just to make sure it stays in the center on the thing. And that's it. Okay, now I'm going to do a few more of those. And then we're going to figure out how to get... Oh, I need to put the flag on before I... I'll do that after I do that. So, then we got to figure out how to do like a hook. Okay? We'll come right back. Okay, so I have all the baseballs on, and then we put the flag on, and I put it through one of the ribbons, and I just put another pin to hold it in place. And as you can see, then it'll just sit out like that, which is really nice. And now what I'm going to work on is I'm going to work on getting the other wire up here so we can have a hook. And I just took a piece of wire and cut it, and then I doubled it so that it would be a little bit stronger than just one. So just put it around like, you want to go under. The reason you go under is so that the main part of the wire is in the back. So I went the other way and I went, oh, nope, that wasn't the right way. You got to go this way. And then you just twist it. So that it stays there. And then you take the other wire.
See, there's the twist. There's the twist right there.
And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. I'm just going to twist it on there to hold it.
Like that.
Because it's just wire. And that's pretty much it. And now you got your hook. There you go.
Thank you
For watching.
like,
And subscribe.
and I hope you have a good day.